Jai Srimanarayana. First sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ye Shastra Vidhim Utsrujya Yajante Shraddhayanvitaha Tesham Nishtatu Ka Krishna Sattvamaho Rajastamaha. Realize that along with faith, you should be following the principles of Scripture. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall follow the principles of our scripture along with having faith in that. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma, Paramasiva and all other devatas, after they praised and prayed Paramatma, Paramatma gave them his appearance. Tesham avirabhut rajan sahasrarka udayadyutihi. Paramatma's Divyamangala Vigraham is glowing with the light which is equal to 1,000 suns. That kind of Paramatma's Divyamangala Vigraham is appearing to Brahma and other Devatas. Then all of them are enjoying Divyamangala Vigraham of Paramatma. How is it looking? Svacham Marakatashyamam Kanjagarbharunekshanam Tapta Hemavadaatena Lasat Kauseya Vasasa Prasanna Charu Sarvangim Sumukhim Sundara Bhruvam. Paramatma's Divyamangala Vigraham is glowing like a gem, and his beautiful eyes are glowing. Also, Sumukhim Sundara Bhruvam, his divine smile and his divine eyebrows are glowing. Mahamanikiritena Keyurabhyancha Bhushitam. His Divyamangala Vigraham is glowing with a beautiful crown, Kiritam. His ears are glowing with beautiful ornaments. Karnabharana Nirbhata Kapola Sri Mukhambujam Kanchi Kalapavalaya Haranupura Sobhitam. His waist is decorated with beautiful ornaments. His hands are decorated with beautiful ornaments. His Vakshasthalam, divine chest, and his neck is decorated with beautiful ornaments. His divine feet are decorated with beautiful ornaments. Kaustubha Bharanam Lakshmim Bibhratim Vanamalinim. Kaustubhamani is glowing on the chest of Paramatma, and Mahalakshmi Devi is glowing there on the chest of Paramatma. Sudarshanadibhihi Sva-astraihi Murtimadbhihi Upasitam. Paramatma is carrying Sudarshana Chakram and all other weapons. Such Divyamangala Vigraham is giving appearance to Brahma Rudra. Then all the Devatas along with Brahma Rudra Sakam Sarvangaihi Avanim Gataihi, they all did Sashtanga Namaskaram to Paramatma. All the Devatas, Chaturmukha Brahma, Paramasiva, they kept entire of their bodies on the earth and doing Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 17th chapter 1st sloka. Ye Shastra Vidhimutsrujya Yajante Shraddhayanvitaha Tesham Nishtha Ka Krishna Satvamaho Rajastamaha. Ye Shastra Vidhimutsrujya Yajante Shraddhayanvitaha Tesham Nishtha Ka Krishna Satvamaho Rajastamaha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.